The OnePlus 13 brings a bold, flat-edge design with premium materials. Think Gorilla Glass Victus on the front and a smooth matte finish or vegan leather on the back. It feels solid, balanced, and luxurious in the hand. The chassis is aluminum, giving it both durability and elegance. It's also IP68 and IP69 rated, meaning it's dust-tight and can handle heavy water exposure and even pressure jets. Perfect for outdoor or rugged use. Battery life is one of the biggest highlights. The phone is equipped with a massive 6,000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day or more, even with heavy use. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or multitasking, you won't be reaching for a charger often, and when you do, it supports 100W fast charging via USB-C, going from 0 to 100% in just about 35 minutes. It also supports 50W wireless charging, making it incredibly convenient for daily use. Powering the OnePlus 13 is the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, paired with up to 24GB of RAM and 1TB of fast UFS 4 storage. The performance is absolutely top tier. Apps open instantly, multitasking is buttery smooth, and even the most demanding games run flawlessly. There's also an advanced cooling system, ensuring sustained performance during long sessions. The phone boasts a 6.82-inch QHD plus AMOLED display with LTPO technology. That means an adaptive refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. Smooth scrolling, crisp visuals, and great battery efficiency. The screen is super bright, visible even under direct sunlight, and supports HDR10+ and Dolby Vision for cinematic video playback. It's one of the best displays on any phone right now. The OnePlus 13 features a triple 50MP camera setup, main, ultra-wide setup, and a 3x telephoto zoom. All lenses deliver sharp, vibrant, and well-balanced photos, even in low light. With Hasselblad tuning, colors are more natural and true to life. The 32MP front camera handles selfies and video calls effortlessly. You can also shoot high-quality 4K video from every lens, complete with advanced audio capture, running OxygenOS based on Android 15. The interface is clean, fast, and highly customizable. There's minimal bloatware, smart multitasking tools, and even AI features like real-time transcription, improved photo editing, and battery optimization. OnePlus promises 4 major Android updates and 6 years of security patches, so it's future-proof too. The OnePlus 13 is all about refined power, gorgeous design, epic battery, pro-grade cameras, and blazing fast performance, all in one device. If you want a premium phone without paying ultra-premium prices, the OnePlus 13 is easily one of the best choices this year.